So this is 1 year after the repairs. From outside like this, you wouldn't even notice that there was a repair here. There's a bit of rust there, but it's kind of expected. But if you open the door, there's the rust coming back. And that's the spray paint I put here with the clear coat, and it's also over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to clean it and put another coat of clear coat on top of it. So there you go, I cleaned it, and you can definitely see that there's some rust coming back, and this just shows you that you can't really repair rust very well. It will always come back. So I'm gonna use the Sonax Fallout Cleaner. It's pink, and then when it reacts with rust it turns black or like dark purple, and it cleans all the rust. And then I'm gonna just clean it off and spray coat it again with a clear coat. So I'm just using a brush and put it on with the brush. I found it's a bit easier, you use less of it. This is the result. It kind of turned purplish, the liquid itself, and the rusty spots turned black. Now I'm gonna wipe it off. Wet cloth. The liquid, the purple stuff should come off. Actually, I'll also put some here. I'm gonna repeat the process. Try to get it all in, so to say. Maybe just remove this as much as I can, the loose stuff. And then I'm gonna coat it with the clear coat. So put a bit of this here. I find it's a bit more economical. You can make it last if you do this with the brush. If you spray it, it just all kind of floats down, drips down. So now it has dried for about an hour. Now we're going to put this clear coat on top and hope it kind of covers it for the winter. And in summer we'll see if it really goes on and rusts badly. I'll do something, otherwise I'll just gonna do the same stuff over and over again until this car clocks out. So now I put one thick coat here, and you can see that this is wet from the clear coat, and it's just one fat coat and some dripping here, but I don't really care. I just wanted to get it sealed from the elements and look relatively good. So I'm gonna let it dry and maybe do one more coat and leave it at that. This is not really nice, but no one sees it. It's covered by the door when the door closes. So I also did the other side, and this side is not as pretty because I'm out of clear coat. No clear coat left, but I tried to spray as much as I can. Here on this side there, it's a bit more here on the arc where I put some touch-up paint, and it's a bit less, I would say, here in the corner, but more on the bottom here. Let it dry the winter, enjoy it while it lasts. Thanks for watching. See you next time.